Where's the booze?
I got robbed by a sweet old lady on a motorized cart, and I didn't even see it coming.
Oh.
Harry.
Oh.
Harry.
Oh.
Come on, Harry. Cheer up.
It gets worse, Lloyd. My parakeet Petey,
Yeah?
he's dead.
Ugh. Oh, man. I'm sorry, Harry. What happened?
His head fell off.
His head fell off?
Yeah, he was pretty old.
Oh, that's it. I've had it with this dump. We've got no food. We've got no jobs. Our pets' heads are falling off.
Okay, just calm down.
What the hell are we doing here, Harry? We've got to get out of this town.
Yeah, and go where? Where are we gonna go?
I'll tell you where. Someplace warm. A place where the beer flows like wine. Where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. I'm talking about a little place called Aspen.
I don't know, Lloyd. The French are assholes. Wait a minute. I know what you're up to, mister. Yeah, you just want to go to Aspen and find that girl who lost her briefcase, and you need me to drive you there, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
So?
Am I right, Lloyd?
So I want to go someplace where we know somebody who could plug us into the social pipeline.
No, Lloyd. No, I say we stay here, we hunt for jobs, and we keep saving our money for the worm store. I don't know about you, but I'm getting sick and tired of running from creditors.
You know what I'm sick and tired of, Harry? I'm sick and tired of having to eke my way through life. I'm sick and tired of being a nobody. But most of all, I'm sick and tired of having nobody.
Okay, Lloyd. Aspen it is.
You better not be fooling.
Okay. Just let it out. Have a good cry. Come on. Okay. Okay, that's enough.